Hey guys, it's Niki Jabbour for Johnny's Selected Seeds, and today I'm planting Corinto cucumbers. This is a slicer that's early, productive, and disease resistant. Now there are two main ways to grow cucumbers. You can direct seed in your garden beds, or you can give them a head start indoors. But when it comes to planting inside, timing is very important. You only want to plant your cucumber seeds inside 3 to 4 weeks before your last expected frost date. Plant the seeds just a ½ inch deep. Direct seed once the soil has warmed to 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. And when you do plant the seeds, plant them about 6 inches apart, ½ inch deep, and eventually thin them to 1 foot apart. Finally, if you're transplanting seedlings, place them about 1 foot apart and be sure to water well. Now that the heat of summer has arrived, my cucumber plants are really taking off. Now, the most important point to remember when growing cucumbers is that they're thirsty. So I make sure to water my plants deeply, twice a week if there has been no rain, and I water at the soil, not the leaves, because that can spread diseases. I mulch my plants with straw to hold soil moisture. I also fertilize my cucumber plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a liquid organic food. Cucumber beetles are a major pest of cucumber plants. To prevent their damage, practice crop rotation, use a lightweight insect barrier or row cover when you first plant your seedlings, and remove it once the plants flower to allow good pollination. And if you see any adults, hand pick them. Watch out for diseases like wilt and powdery mildew. Good spacing and growing resistant varieties is the best way to help prevent cucumber diseases. In July, I plant a second crop of cucumber seeds so that we can enjoy a high-quality harvest of cucumbers well into autumn. It's a great day to be harvesting cucumbers, and I'm filling my basket with so many awesome varieties, like Corinto. Corinto is a slicing cucumber that grows 7 to 8 inches long and it has deep green skin. And if you're not sure when your cucumbers are ready to harvest, check your seed pack. You want to pick them when they're about the size and color stated on your seed pack. All right, I think we need to pick a few more cucumbers. You'll notice that fruits ripen at different times on the vine, so check daily once the plants begin to bear fruits. This is a perfect size pickling cucumber, but this guy, got away from me and it's a little over mature now. It'll still be fine for slicing, but over mature cucumbers can slow the production of new flowers and fruits, so harvest often. Here are the 2 pickling cucumbers I just harvested. The big one is over mature, and over mature cucumbers tend to be bitter and have larger seeds. Don't tug or twist cucumber fruits from the vine. Use sharp pruners to clip them.